Hi Sharks, my name is Tim Beal. I'm the president of NextRO Incorporated out of Redondo Beach, California. We're in the business of manufacturing and marketing a very exciting brand new drinking water system utilizing one of the most advanced technologies known to man for the drinking water process called reverse osmosis, along with carbon block technology. Our internationally patented system utilizes a new technology in addition to the others called water on water. This technology allows this product to separate itself from the rest of the reverse osmosis pack that is currently being sold at all levels of retail, as well as they have those pesky door knockers that are coming in, banging on your door, and trying to sell you a very expensive piece of equipment. But a little bit about myself. I come from the beach area here. I've surfed my entire life. I migrated up to the mountains and I've become an avid kayaker and river rafter and so on. My whole life has revolved around water and plastic. My family's business, I started in the family's business in 1974, which is a plastic injection molding firm out here in Torrance, California. And this is where I became very intimately involved in the water industry, plastics industry, and so on, and they both go hand in hand. Well, I was introduced to a guy that had some pretty interesting technology, and since then, many years later now, I've been able to bring together a lot of these technologies into this one single package, in this filtration platform that can now start up on top of one's kitchen counter, and the same machine can convert to an underneath the kitchen counter installation and hook up to your ice maker, coffee machines for the office environment, covering 100% of the U.S. dwelling market, as well as some of that office business that our industry has never been able to venture into. That's the reverse osmosis industry, by the way. Now, over the years, I had traveled around the United States, and I've been in and out of water wells, and I've worked with a lot of the water utilities, only to find out that we have 60,000 water utilities that make up the water purveying businesses here in America that deliver water to you and I. We've also discovered that we have all these industrial chemicals that are coming from the water supply into our glass. This particular filtration platform from NextRO eliminates bacteria, viruses, salts, sugars, as well as all of the inorganic materials and the organic materials. These are your chlorines and so on. All of the unwanted. This machine becomes the block between tap and glass. This technology is faster. It uses 5 times less water to our nearest competitor. It operates at 25 pounds less pressure for those offshore markets. All you need is a 40-foot tank with a 1-inch pipe outside the United States, and we're saving lives. My goal here, Sharks, is to build this business with an excellent opportunity of selling our operation because of its EBITDA profit structure. For every system that we install in the home, there will be an ongoing revenue stream of approximately $147 per year per system per family. We'll tie that back to the warranty of the product. If you want to have that warranty, you must purchase the original cartridges from us in order to do this. So, market-wise, this particular machine for the first time is the one and only home reverse osmosis system that can be sold by television. Let's say maybe an infomercial. It's perfect. It covers 100% of the U.S. dwelling market, renters and homeowners, and other industries like the office service industry. It's an excellent opportunity to put this thing out and advertise it for the first time. This technology has been around since 1969. There's 5 major suppliers out there providing water at on the shelves of Home Depot, Lowe's, Sears, Ace, True Value, but yet there's no advertising for the most advanced technology known to man for the treatment of water, reverse osmosis specific. We just do it a lot better because of our patented system. It allows us to go on television and shout from the rooftops about this new and exciting process. I'd like to show you a few things here in the next set here, but let's talk about what it means to me. Many years ago, I had traveled around the United States on my family's behalf, evaluating this market like I mentioned earlier. I came back and reported back to the family that I believe this particular product would feed my family's grandkids. That's what it means to me. This is a very exciting new business opportunity. This is the NextRO engine. It replaces all of this underneath the kitchen sink. These systems right here is traditionally the same unit that's been sold for 40 years. Very, very large in size, and this goes underneath the kitchen counter. These are individual units. This particular system right here, along with this faucet, goes underneath the kitchen counter. With a different attachment, the same machine can mount off the tip of your cold water faucet, off the kitchen sink, pull the button, diverts the flow to the system, and operate the system as a countertop system. This would be primarily for home renters, which adds an additional 50 million opportunities out there in America. Most systems are for underneath the kitchen counter. Today, because of NextRO's technological advancements in reverse osmosis, we can now offer a product to an added customer base of an added 50 million homes out there in the US public. This system, both these systems can also go into the office environment, and they happen to be the only RO systems that can properly feed an automatic coffee maker for those break rooms in office environments. So this adds a significant amount of business to the structure of this company. Today, Sharks, we're offering stock in our company for $1 million for 10% of NextRO. The bottled water industry is emerging. It's topping upwards of $15 billion a year in the United States, and 40% of that water that is consumed today is the reverse osmosis taste profile. Every unit that gets installed, we expect to curb the bottled water habit per family by at least 50%. It's a huge opportunity for the homeowner to save money on their consumption of bottled water on an annual basis. On top of that, a lot less plastic in landfills. By the way, our cartridges are recyclable. They'll be sending them back into the company. We'll be recycling 100% of the cartridges. For the offshore market, this system operates at 25 pounds less pressure to our nearest competitor. So our business outside the United States will dwarf anything that we're doing in the United States by a good 2/3 greater business opportunities outside the United States. Patents. Let's talk about IP structure in this company. We're patented in China, Japan, Korea, India, Netherlands, Germany, France, all over Western Europe and the United States. Once again, 10% for NextRO, $1 million. In closing, NextRO produces 100% of what I just showed you. We did $100,000 last year in sales across America. We've been sprinkling in our product throughout the water conditioning industry all across the United States as a beta test. We're now ready to go to market. The money that we're looking for is strictly for a little bit of operating capital as well as some serious marketing dollars through the plumbing wholesale industry. With eventually, we believe this product should end up with its own infomercial for television national sales. Thank you guys. Look forward to doing business with you.